Every day, mosquitoes fly through our lives, buzzing from one place to another, and often leaving a trail of itchy red bumps. Their existence is often overlooked or treated as a nuisance, but they are actually more complex than we may think. Mosquitoes are small, pesky insects that feed on the blood of animals and humans. Their bite is usually painless, but can cause an itchy red bump due to a reaction to their saliva. Mosquitoes are considered to be one of the deadliest animals in the world because they have the potential to spread disease through their saliva, which is transferred from host to host. Female mosquitoes are the only ones that bite, and after feeding on blood, they provide nourishment for their eggs and then lay those eggs. As a result, mosquito populations can quickly grow and propagate diseases throughout an area. The life cycle of a mosquito has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The female mosquito will lay hundreds of eggs at a time in or near water sources so that the larva can survive. As soon as the eggs hatch, they enter the larval stage where they live in water for days before transforming into pupae. During this stage, they sink to the bottom of the water to avoid predators while maturing. Finally, when the pupae emerge as adults, they must dry their bodies off before taking flight and seeking out mates. Grown mosquitoes will fly around for 3 miles from their breeding ground in search of food. Once they find a suitable host, they will circle around it before landing on its skin and piercing through it with their proboscis. Then they will feed on the host's blood until their abdomen is satiated. The diet of a mosquito is surprisingly varied. Everyone knows that mosquitoes feed on the blood of animals and humans, but only a few know that they can also drink nectar and feed on juices from rotten fruits as well. This helps stimulate the reproductive system and provides nourishment for their eggs. A day in the life of a mosquito is definitely not a dull one. They spend their days buzzing from place to place in search of food and mates, constantly adapting to their environment. Even though they are seen as pests by some, mosquitoes remain a critical part of nature's intricate web of life.